Welcome back to another Modisoft back office video. My name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be going over on managing your fuel inventory and the inventory alerts in Modisoft. As a store owner that sells fuel at their convenience store, it is very important that you're always up to date with your inventory. So we do have an easy setup process in Modisoft that can get you started and keep a track of your fuel inventory. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you do have to set up your reconciliation page and keep a track of all of the inventory that you are selling throughout the entire day in order for the fuel inventory alerts to work. So I'm going to briefly go through the fuel reconcile page on how to set that up, and then we can move on to the fuel inventory page. So go to your main menu and you will see the fuel section right here, and then you will want to first go to your fuel reconcile. So on this page, it's going to show you pretty much anything and everything that happens throughout the day as far as what you've sold through fuel. So as long as you are entering your closing stick gallons and your opening stick gallons, which you see right here. So your closing stick gallons that you're going to have here is, for example, for today, shows 9,991 gallons. That was what you have at this specific pump. So you want to keep a track of this every day. So our software is able to keep a track of your inventory as long as you are doing this every day. If for any reason you are not doing this, then you will not be able to set up fuel alerts because the system will not know that how much fuel you have in your inventory. So if you want a little bit more information on how to fully set up the fuel reconciliation page, I'm going to link a video on here on the fuel reconciliation setup page. Once you have set this page up and you start entering numbers for what you have sold, so you can look at your reporting and go back a couple days and enter how much fuel you had in those days. And then once you have caught up to today's date, you are able to continue and go on to the next section to keep a track of your inventory alerts by going to the main menu and then going to your fuel and then fuel inventory. Once you hit this page, it's going to show you your current inventory based off of your fuel reconciliation page that you have entered. And you will see the type of fuel that you sell at your location, plus how much was sold today, and what is in your current inventory based off of the fuel reconciliation page. On this page, you are able to set the minimum inventory for each type of fuel grade that you sell at your location. That way, once you hit that threshold, you are able to receive either an email, a text message, or a combination of both that can be sent to you as the owner or maybe managers or whoever you want to keep a track of whoever orders the fuel for your location. Once you set the minimum inventory for each fuel grade type, so I'm going to set these identical here just so it can have some data. Once you set this up, now you need to have a way to send those alerts whenever your fuel reaches that minimum threshold so that you can place the order for your fuel. In order to do that, you would need to come up here to the Manage Fuel Inventory Alerts button, click on it. It will open this page where you're able to enter your email or your cell phone number so that you can receive those alerts. So all you need to do is just click Add New Record, enter your email, cell phone number. It can be either or, it can be both if you want to receive both. If you do decide that you want to receive text messages, you will have to put your cell phone number, and then you also have to put the cell phone company that you're with. Once you do that, you can just check box whether you're going to use email, text, or if you're going to do both, and then just hit save. And it will be set up, and now you are ready to receive those text messages. So now that you've set up your inventory alerts, you'll notice, your Regular is at 138,072 gallons for your fuel inventory currently, and you set the threshold to be at least at 54,856 gallons. Now, as you sell throughout the entire day and throughout the entire week, your inventory will gradually go down. So once your inventory of fuel hits that minimum threshold, then you will receive that email or that text letting you know that it is time to order fuel for your location. We hope that you found this guide useful in better understanding your Modisoft back office. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will always be up to date on your Modisoft back office. Thank you and have a wonderful day.